welcome to MCTV.
Hello everybody from MZTV.
Yeah! We have a French connection. Yeah,
Bienvenue tout le monde à MZTV.
So this is Elliot and Jam. We are here in the farm.
Eco Magic Farm.
Wow. So it's amazing. We will have a tour.
Yeah, so this year is our first year. We tried to plant a lot of stuff, a lot of experiment going on, and I'll show you around the plants. We tried to plant a lot of stuff, a lot of seeds, and we'll see. I'll introduce you to all the plants mixed together everywhere.
Okay, we'll see. Yeah.
So there's a lot of sunflower. We plant a lot of sunflower on some. These are all sunflowers.
So that is
They
sunflower.
were planted from seeds. This is the hop there. It will climb like that on a string. It always go clockwise when it climbs there. And after that they will flower. You use it to produce the hops. It's associated with basil and beans.
Okay.
A lot of mix of everything. Julie tried to plant nasturtium.
What's that?
It's a flower in front. They're still pretty small. She planted it just last week.
Yeah.
So there's that.
Do you water it every day? Do you
What?
have to water the...
Yeah.
Not if it rains, but we try to come at least once, twice a week as much as possible when it's really dry. It gives them a chance to, especially more in the beginning, to establish. The soil is not so rich here, so we're trying to do our best with that. It's
Okay.
hard to
Hopefully,
bring a lot of
the soil will be.
We're trying to keep it simple. So on this line is chamomile. We have 2 chamomile,
Oh, you have
mustard,
chamomile.
tatsoi. After that,
What's that again? Elliot?
Well, it's the leaves here.
I thought it's kasoy.
Not tatsoi.
Tatsoi. What's that?
It's a mustard.
Okay. Mustard.
Ano ba yun? Mustasa?
Okay. I see.
Ito mustard,
So there's a-
Quebec yung mustard.
Yeah, them they will flower and turn into seeds. We try to let them reproduce themselves on their own. That's the goal of it, to put a lot of work at first.
Okay.
This in front here, it's tobacco plants.
Oh, you have
a few
tobacco.
plants. They're a bit sad. We transplanted them last week. They still need to establish. This is a epinette. How do you call it? Epinette?
Pine?
Yeah, fine.
Pine? Pine tree?
Kind of a pine.
Okay.
So here we made a big
Okay.
line. On this
Yeah,
line,
yeah.
there's a lot of stuff mixed. A lot of association. It goes all the way to your car over there.
Okay.
So here there are some spaghetti squash. This is spaghetti squash. This is
Spaghetti
a flower.
squash.
They're sadler, but they're all the way on the line. Calendula.
It's also spaghetti squash.
These are spaghetti
how
squash
about-
mixed
okay.
with some flowers. These are sunflowers. There's some other squash here, marigold, very small. A lot of mix of everything on the line. Okay, you can stay on the side and I'll show you. There's a small apple tree.
Oh, there's apples
Oh.
already?
Really?
I started it from a seed.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's very,
Wow.
very small.
Follow sa kanya, jump
Exciting.
It's a bit sad too. This one I planted a few over there. There are some also.
Malaki yung...
Oh, in the Christmas, we can cut the Christmas.
Yeah.
It looks a bit
Also, apple tree.
apple tree with mint.
Okay.
This is a mint. There's another apple tree there. And,
Maybe we'll have apple picking.
yeah, but we have.
On Christmas, we will be here to cut your trees for our Christmas
Why?
tree.
But for sure, for sure, no problem.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need to cut it.
Okay.
That's okay.
If we follow on the line, I'll step on there because there's a few plants there. Okay, you can come because
Yeah.
you're there. So this one is make some kind of berries. They
Okay.
were planted just recently. They had a hard time adjusting. I think they will survive. They're strong still. What else? This is a prune tree, like some kind of a very small prune, a mélanchier we call. It's like a prune tree. It's not really a prune tree.
Prune tree success.
It will get bigger.
It will be
this.
big.
Pardon?
Hi.
Yeah, it will get bigger. So here, I try to always put the stuff. The sun comes up here, it goes all the way here, and it goes down there. So I always try to put the biggest tree on the north side, then in front of it some smaller bush, and in front of that. So here, the smaller bush in front, I put a few raspberries I had at home. They're big raspberries with strawberry in front.
Yeah.
So I try to always mix them like that. There's a few mint to it also.
Alam mo yung mga pine cone? Doon nagmumula yan. Mga pine.
This one is the same tree, Melanchier, the kind of smaller than prunes. This is the same tree as this one. This is a
What's that?
gooseberry,
Okay.
yellow gooseberry. With strawberries in front, and you see there's a lot of wild things growing. This is raspberries.
There is
growing
no
everywhere.
poison ivy here.
No, not that I found out yet.
You don't know. You don't know a poison ivy. Yeah.
This one, I don't know how they call it in English. It's a bit like a blueberry, but it survives more hard weather. So this one survives. This one died here. I'll have to replace it. This one is a strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
Why? There's a few onions.
How
I
did
tried to
you memorize all of the plants here?
But I'm the one that planted it, so
Okay.
I know which I plant where.
Yeah.
So in front of the apple trees, it's always a combination like that. These are blueberries. They were shocked of being transplanted a bit. There's some
Ayan yung
that
mga
have a
blueberries namin
few,
nagkakaroon ng onting.
Where's the
Wow.
blueberries?
Ayan yung mga tinuturo.
These are
Yeah,
what
before
kind of
naman may...
blueberries. They were shocked a
Oo.
bit this year. There are 6 different.
Kinds.
There are 6
To,
different
blueberries.
kinds of blueberries.
Ayan, no?
Ito.
Dati di ba nakakuha kayo ng ano? Last year, meron kayong na-harvest.
That's a prune tree. That's a big
Prune
prune
tree.
tree, a real prune
Wow.
tree. I mixed some beans around it, so there's beans growing with it, and the
What's that? What's
black-
that one, Elliot? That one.
prune tree. Yeah, vegetable garden.
Oh, this is the vegetable.
Ah, okay,
this
vegetable
smells like
garden.
celery. It's just like herb to use. We planted some asparagus there. We would need to clean it, but
What's
this is a baby asparagus.
Yun.
This
Oh,
thing.
that's the asparagus.
Why,
Wow.
there's a few, some died, some survived. They were started from seeds this year.
From the
so
seeds. Wow.
so there's
Amazing.
they're small, they're on the line there. We would need to clean a little bit around it. The lettuce.
So you will be harvesting it
Why, soon?
before winter?
Oh yeah, soon.
Yeah.
Even when they start to get like that, you can even eat like a small part of it. They're still small, but if you have a lot, you can use.
You can eat it.
Oh, maybe there's a bit of sand on it, but it's all good.
Condiment.
So,
Lettuce.
this, I think it's a zucchini. It lost its first leaf by
Wow, zucchini.
by the sun, but the next leaves will be more green. I think it'll be okay. Some beans, and there's corn mixed in it too. All the small things you see like that, it's a corn. This. So
Oh,
there's
you
a
have
lot of
lots of
mixed in
corn.
this, Yeah. On the line.
Yeah, what flowers you have?
Because there's flowers, and after that, I think it froze. We sow more stuff, so there's spinach and there, and this is a nasturtium. This is a spinach, baby spinach. This is a nasturtium, the same as on the line. This is a cabbage here, but it was a big cabbage. I just let it grow to produce seeds. There, it will flower and have. There's a lavender. This is a lavender.
Oh, you have lavender?
This one, it looks healthy. It's just one lavender plant. We'll see how it goes. This one, I don't know. I don't remember what it is. It's some kind of a flower. but
It's also
I forgot
flower.
the name. Flower, tobacco plants. Here it's roquette. I don't know how you call it in English. It's like a salad, I think.
Asal. Okay.
Is it a roquette?
Yeah, it looks. You can eat.
Not sure. I don't remember what it is. Maybe pak choy.
Yeah, when it
possible.
will be grown.
This is a chamomile again. More spinach. More nasturtium. This is a kind of a flower. So that's about
Yeah.
the big tour. We have some stuff hiding a bit everywhere too. There. but this it's mostly of the garden.
See it. So we maybe how many what after maybe summer it will be fully grown around July.
Why we can see? I hope
Yeah.
that because it's the forest
Yeah.
everywhere here. So the
Yeah, and you
animals
have your
sometimes-
bees.
The bees,
The
yeah.
bees. How you water it manually?
With this big tote,
That
it's a
one?
big plastic thing.
Yeah.
I have a pump too, but I need to fix the generator there from the creek from there.
Oh.
For now, we did it with pail
Bucket?
and
Oh.
with a
So
bucket.
manually.
Up with a bucket. I put it in the truck. We fill it up with bucket. And,
You just get water from there?
yeah, and after that, I just drive
many-
the truck here and
Once
open
a
the
day you
valve.
are watering the plants?
Not
How
once a day.
Okay.
Why? At least
Oh,
once a week.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
Okay.
twice a week
Twice
if it's
a
really
week,
dry.
yeah.
But like yesterday, it rained a lot.
Yeah,
so-
no
Not a
need.
problem.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's really like it rains and I'm like, oh, it's like a gift
Thank
of
you.
God. Yeah. This is their trail that were here even before
Okay.
we became the owners. They need a bit of work still. I tried to do a little bit of my own.
How
but,
many kilometers
just
or?
about 1 kilometer
Okay.
maybe from here to there, but it's a bit uphill too, so
We're going to the trail.
it's a good little walk.
Into the woods na tayo. Into the woods.
Yung first trail nyo dito, how many hours for
Well,
the
it was
first trail?
already done. Oh, do you mean to walk?
Yeah.
1 kilometer. It depends if we walk slowly.
Slow.
It's gonna take long.
Okay.
Maybe 1 hour, I would say.
Yeah, we will
It
come back.
depends if we walk 1 kilometer per hour.
Yeah.
It just
Because of
depends
the-
how fast we walk.
Because of the bebe.
In front, it gets more steep.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's more harder for,
Mama, they wanna go back now.
Yeah, we will go
Okay,
back
okay.
because of the bebe.
because of the baby.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Jam and Julie.
Thank you very much, MZ. All the followers of MZ TV for coming to check our garden.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to put more work in the future and invite you later. The first year, maybe in 2 years, 3 years, 10 years from now, we'll have a lot more to show
Yeah,
you.
this is just a part 1.
Yeah.
Then we'll see for the part 2 where all of the flowers are blue.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Vegetables. Okay, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Get